guys, and welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing great and have been watching all of our videos. And we are headed out for breakfast today. It's a Sunday morning, so we're going to one of the cafes, which is called Caravela Cafe and Bistro, which is known for serving authentic Goan cuisine, as well as they have some really good English breakfast spread as well. But we're not going there for the English breakfast. We'll be trying out all of their local cuisines that they have here. And we've been here yesterday for breakfast, so I thought I'll make a video and show you guys, because I personally felt that it's really worth, if you are traveling to Goa, then you should definitely come to this place and experience their breakfast that they have to offer here. They also have some amazing coffee, and I'll be showing you around everything. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to know about things that you should be doing, restaurants that you should be going to while you're in Goa, and also your accommodations, my channel has all of this covered. So don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell to get notified. So let's get started. So this is in the Fontaignhas lane, and you have a lot of restaurants and things like that. In this lane you also come across some really old wine shops and bars and all of this, which is right here. And this is truly an Instagram paradise as well. So a lot of people come here, to just take pictures. And today the weather is actually quite nice. So this side here is the most famous Joseph bar, which is the oldest bar in entire Goa. It's over 200 years old. So we've been here before, and I will be making a video shortly and covering that too. This lane here is just so beautiful to walk around. You can just park your vehicle maybe a little further from here and explore all of these lanes. Well, most of the cafes here are closed on Sundays, so you'll probably have to call them, make a reservation, or if not, at least inquire if they are open, and then come down. Wow, this is so beautiful and so colorful as I walk through these streets. Each of these buildings are easily around 300 to 400 years old.
Don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship...
So there are some artists here that are painting. So let me see if I can get a glimpse. Wow, that's really pretty. So you're just imitating what is there?
Yeah.
Wow.
Rewriting and modifying.
That is so cool. So we're waiting outside for a table, and meanwhile this is the menu that they have outside here. So in the meanwhile you can actually decide what you'd like to eat, which saves you a lot of time. So you can maybe pause the video and have a look at the menu. So it approximately takes about 15 to 20 minutes for you to get a table inside.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
So we voted for Americano, which is the lighter version. I mean, it's a little too strong for me still, but otherwise, it's very nice. All of the coffees here are freshly brewed, and that's the best part. So if you're a coffee lover, then you should definitely head to this place. Okay, so we've ordered for some local Goan cuisine, you know, that normally the Goans eat for breakfast. So we have here is the Ross omelette with veg gravy. This is like a must try when you come to Goa. And here we have some rissois. This is the prawn rissoi. And of course, this is the poi that they serve it with. And we've also ordered for some beef mince and poi as well. I really can't wait to dig in. So, and Len has ordered here something simple, which is just some fried eggs and toast. So let me dig in and tell you how it tastes like. This is so heavenly. So the Ross omelette is nothing but masala omelette, and then you have these chicken gravy or the veg gravy, which is lavishly poured on it. And you're supposed to have it with the local poi. This is so mild. So let's soak in all that gravy. That's a big thumbs up. For some of you, this, wondering, gravy kind of an item right in the early in the morning. I think this is totally mild. It's not spicy. So for all those of you who may be having acid reflux, I don't think it would affect that much because it's not spicy at all and it's quite light. Wow. So let me move on to the next thing that we have ordered, which is the prawn rissoi. Okay, so let me just break and show you what it is like inside. So you have these small shrimps. It's creamy inside and crunchy on the outside.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
This is a straight 10 on 10 for me at least.
Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
It is so juicy. And I think there's a little bit of cheese, if I'm not wrong. Amazing. It's not spicy at all. Very flavorful. Okay, so let's move on to the next dish that we have here. So this is the keema pao. So you get this in chicken as well as beef. So we ordered for the beef. Wow, this reminds me so much of the gravy that my mom makes at home. I mean, she used to. It is so similar. So let's break into it with a poi.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
I think everything that we've ordered so far, a straight 10 on 10. The food here is fabulous. So let me continue eating and then I'll show you around a little later. I think everyone's hungry. So we're full, and did you enjoy the food, Len?
Yeah.
Okay, I think the food was really, really great. So if you are new to this channel,
Don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to get notified for new videos that me and my mom makes.
alright, so until we meet again, bye for now.
Don't forget to share it with your friends and family.
Yes, and friends as well. Bye.
Bye bye.